So today we're at 1613 Buffalo Trail right here in Brookings, South Dakota, a home that you don't see very often in this special town. Looking for a great location, a wonderful neighborhood? Then come with me, let's tour the home and get a bird's eye view of what it really looks like to live in this neighborhood. Built in 1977, 1613 Buffalo Trail has that classic Cape Cod look that gives it its personality all its own. From the curb, you immediately notice the character of the home, the mature landscaping, and the setting. But as we get up in the air, you can really appreciate just how much this property has to offer. The home sits on a large 98 by 161 foot fenced in lot, giving you plenty of room outside for the kids, pets, entertaining, gardening, or just enjoying your own backyard. You've also got a 26 by 26 two-stall garage, giving you room for the vehicles along with some additional storage. And tucked into the back of the home is one of my favorite features of this property, that screened-in porch. We'll come back to that in just a minute. Now, one of the things I really like about this home is the neighborhood. Buffalo Trail is located in an established area of Brookings, surrounded by mature homes, trees, and yards that give the neighborhood that comfortable, lived-in feel. You're in Brookings, so you're still just minutes away from shopping, restaurants, schools, parks, South Dakota State University, and everything else the community has to offer. It's a location that gives you that neighborhood setting while keeping you connected to the rest of the town. And that's part of what makes a home like this so appealing. You're not just buying four walls, you're buying a yard, the neighborhood, the location, and the lifestyle that comes along with it. And when you combine all of that with nearly 3,000 finished square feet inside, you've got a home with a lot to offer. Inside, you'll find 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, along with main level laundry and plenty of room to spread out. The kitchen features a tile backsplash, built-in desk, and 2 pantries, because apparently one pantry just wasn't going to cut it. The large primary bedroom has a great setup with a walk-in closet, its own private bathroom, plus a separate prepping or dressing room with another closet. With additional bedrooms, bathrooms, and a finished lower level living space, you've got options for family, guests, a home office, entertaining, or just having a little extra room when everybody is home. But there's one more spot I want to show you, because after a long day, I can think of a pretty good place to sit back, relax, and enjoy a South Dakota evening. So what do you think? 1613 Buffalo Trail right here in Brookings, South Dakota. Beautiful home, main floor laundry, well taken care of, and this beautiful screened-in porch. What more can you ask for? We're the Home Team 605. Thank you for watching, and be sure to follow us on all of our other social media platforms. Bye for now.